my name is Tawess and we are going to talk about PrimaCreator Value resin. First, a disclaimer. This is not a sponsored nor endorsed video. All products shown were bought and paid for personally. Now, if you have tried out the very cheapest brands of resin on the market and just want to get those crisp and easy managed prints that all your friends in your 3D printer group show off, how do you want to do that? Well, your first idea might be to grab some Anycubic or Elegoo resin, but you will soon realize that those are either sold out or wildly inflated in price. What to do? Well, you could pick up some PrimaCreator. PrimaCreator Value is a UV resin that works in the 395 to 405 nanometer wavelength. This means that it works with most regular hobbyist resin printers. It comes in the translucent color clear, red and green, as well as opaque white, grey, black and tan. They also have a chromatic silver, but I have not been able to test this, so I have no clue how it works. Let's break down a few pros and cons about this resin. Pros. It's cheap. At as low as €35 for a 500 milliliter bottle, it is a good amount of product per cent. It's easy to work with. Unlike previously reviewed alt resin, PrimaCreator is more along the lines of top shelf resin, none of the temperamental issues seen in other resin. Prints. It prints really fine details. While this is mostly expected at this point, Prima does not disappoint me. Nice container. Not much to say. Have had no issues with seals breaking or caps splitting. And, while a minor point, it is easy to pour. Not too viscous, but not exactly water either. Gives good control when pouring. But you of course have some cons too. Smell. This is a definitive resin smell with this one. It's not overpowering, but you will know that you're using it. And they do have a slightly limited color range compared to some other brands. It is not bad. It's a bit limited. The introduction of silver is interesting, and I will do a review of that as soon as I get a hold of the bottle, but they do have all the basics covered with the colors they have. And slightly longer cure times than the market leaders. Prima sits in the middle of the pack when it comes to cure times, but they're still faster than some other value brands. This puts PrimaCreator in a solid middle of the pack position. Price is good, but it lacks some of the top shelf features. Now, the one thing that disappointed me with the alt resin that I reviewed previous was how it did not handle pre-supported models. And we all know how manually supporting your models, it's a painful experience at times. Well, I'm glad to report that PrimaCreator handles pre-supported models like a champ. While I had the odd fail here and there, I used over a liter of their resin and had not had any complete fails, and even the partial fails were usually savable with some model mixing. So, if you cannot get the top of the shelf resin where you live, PrimaCreator Value is a good option that will not let you down. Now it's worth noting that PrimaCreator also offers flex, tough and water washable resins, and as with the silver, should I get my hands on them, I will definitely review them on this channel. But that is pretty much all I have to say about this. I hope this will be helpful for you in your hunt for good resin. Until next time, stay safe, be kind, and play fair. Bye!